front of our TV sets while watching the cathedral burning, a wave of immense emotion spilled out from Sydney to New York, from Johannesburg to Moscow. And here, the sentiment of emotion here in Egypt was also huge. In the days following the 15th of April, I received hundreds of calls, messages, mails coming from our Egyptian friends. And I remember there was also a poor Egyptian worker coming to the embassy, knocking to the door of the embassy, and bringing an envelope containing 10 Egyptian pounds. That was his personal contribution for the rebuilding of Notre Dame de Paris. And I would like to express my deepest thanks to these gestures, to the show of solidarity which was shown by the Egyptian people. Because I think that Notre Dame is not only a place for Parisians, it's not only a place for French people, it belongs to the humanity. It's not only a church, it's not only a place for worshipping, it's more than that. It's part of the world heritage, it's an icon of the world heritage.